All right, guys, Mr. Gucci here. This video is going to show you how to create your map file for this our ArcGIS activity. So first thing you need to do, you need to log into the ArcGIS website following the link from Google Classroom, and then log in with your student or with the ID that was created for you and the password that you created and wrote down. All right. Once you are here, once you get to the Abington Senior High webpage for ArcGIS, you are going to the top and you are going to click Content. All right. Then you are going to click New Item. Click Feature Layer. This is going to create a new layer of information that you are going to place on a map. And we are going to define your own layer, which means you will create a layer from scratch. Now, you are going to add 6 layers of information to the map you are creating. You are going to add a point layer. You are going to add another point layer. You are going to add a line layer and another line layer. You are going to add a polygon layer and you're going to add another polygon layer. So what this means is when you are creating your map, you are going to identify 2 types of points. You are going to identify 2 types of routes, and you're going to identify 2 types of areas. All right, click Next. You are going to name this layer Abington Map Layers underscore your last name. All right, my last name is Gucci, but you're going to put your last name. And then you will click Save. Now, what we've just created are the layers for this map, all the information you are going to insert onto it. We still need to put it on a map itself. So after you click Save, here it is, it's your Abington map layers. You are going to open in Map Viewer in the upper right corner there. What it's going to do now is it is going to take this layer and throw it down onto a map. All right. And the map it's going to use is the entirety of the world. So we can get a little bit closer. We can go to Abington, Pennsylvania. There we are. And it'll bring us into Abington. All right. You can even get more specific. Like you can find Abington Senior High School. You can find the school property. But getting to Abington. All right. So now what we are going to do is we are going to save this map. All right. You might be thinking like, did we just not save the map? No, you saved the layer files. Now we've put the layers onto a map and we must save the map. So click the Save and Open icon on the left, and you are going to save this map. You are going to save it as My Abington Map underscore your period, whether it's period 2 or period 4 or period 8. So your period, I'll just do period 2. All right. Underscore your last name. All right. In my case, it's Gucci. You're going to want to make sure you put your last name. All right. And then we save. All right. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now your Abington map is saved. We are going to now click the 3 lines in the corner here and go to Content. Now, what this will do is this will show you all the items you have created. So far, you should only have created a couple items. You will have created an Abington map layers and an Abington map. I want you to identify your map, My Abington Map, P2, your last name. Okay? It should be labeled the web map, and I want you to click this little person icon and change it from only you being able to see it to everyone in the organization being able to see it. Then click Save. All right, there we go. And so now you will see that it's changed from a little building symbol or from a person symbol to a building symbol. All right, so there you go. You have created your map.